Have you ever heard you can earn from searching? So this is a video where you can see how you can earn money online from searching. So Presearch is a site where you can earn money from such tokens, then you can cash out as dollars. So these are type of cryptocurrency where you get paid for searching. So you have to create an account of a Presearch here. So you will create an account. Then after you have created an account within a few steps, it's free, and you will get a page like this. So you will see that there is there's my tokens for searching. So for that you will have to do one thing. That is, you will have to withdraw. Meaning you will have to get 1,000 tokens for getting your money. So after you have done 1,000 search, so it's not about 1,000, it's actually if one research is 0.25, you will get from that 1,000 divided by 0.25. So you will have to do minimum 2,000 searches for this one. So is it worthy that if you do with this, you will get some money? Yes, it is. See how you are going to convert one research research to dollars. So let's see how much is it. See, okay. So we can see that. See, one research is 0.007254. It's not much, right? See, if you have done 1,000 searches daily, you are going to get $7.25 each day. So if you do from 30 days, if you at least for 15 days you do for each day you do 1,000 searches for 15 days, you get 15,000. So you are going to earn $108 monthly. See, just for even if you skip for one day, $108 you are going to get. So is it easy? Yes, you can download it or you can add. See, I have attached the extension. This is an extension where you can do it automatically. Whenever see, I'm searching here like uh, paid dog. I'm searching this one. So see, it is going to redirect me, and I'm going to get my tokens. So if I go to my site, research.org, I will see that my site, I've got my search. Not only Google, if I can go to go.go, I can also search like uh, the amount of recyclables made. See, it is also going to extend it, and I'm going to get money for each of my searches. Then ether scan, I'm going to get cost of ether is going to give me, see, this one in this side, my money, you can say I'm going to get my money here as tokens, and I can search also Twitter, uh, Donald Trump, for example. See, each time I'm searching, I'm getting 0.25 token. So I'm going to search it here. So it is automatically added to my extension. See, in this side, it is automatically added. I can search uh, cost of flamingo. See, each time I'm searching, it is counting on my result, so that you don't have to work from here. Even you are searching from your Google tab each day, you are going to get your money. If I'm searching on Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, see, I'm getting my point. And Presearch you can do also in Presearch. Research representative, for example, I'm searching this one. See, this is my money. So I'm searching here. Based on your current P level 5, you will have 50% of your reward tokens that are eligible for withdrawal. 5 into 50% equals to 3. You have collected 5 reward tokens. This collection is of a P level. Okay, so this is my rewards of my each day searching. So for this day, you can search and search, and if you have reached 1000, after that you can take it out. You can refer it to it. You can refer if you are account open if you are opening your account via my uh, referral, you can get additional bonus for that, and you can also reward me some points from if you are working. I will get a small amount of money from your account, and you won't lose anything. I will just get some. So you can also refer it. So from here, so I'm posting my referral link on my description. If you like my video, if you are working with this is very real, and I saw my friends working with this thing. $108 is small, but it's good for your pocket money, right? So I will request you to to download or to browse this, open this account via my referral link, so that it's very it will be very easy for me to make much more videos for you guys, and it really works. Don't think it's a joke, and it really works. So I'm showing you again that one research $2. See, even I'm searching, it is counting my searches. So you can see if I'm going to convert 1000 research, 1000 research will give me $7.1. So it's nice, right? $7 for 1000 searches. So you can do daily 500 searches and 100, or you can use your friends to search for you guys, right? You can install this research on your tab, and yeah, of course, it's very easy. So thank you guys for watching. Uh, before ending my video, I will say that there are the settings: saving account, reward account, portal account, withdraw tokens. So you can withdraw your tokens here. Okay. So after that, you can turn, but you have to reach minimum 1000. If you go via my referral account, so you will get more addition. You can do it much more faster. And if you can refer more of your friends, and they open the account via your referral link, it will be very easier for you. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can work. Leave any comments if you need any questions. Thank you so much.